Hello guys, welcome to the channel Operators in C. In this video, I'm going to tell you about arithmetic operators in C. Here we have different types of arithmetic operators in C, which is plus, minus, star, divide, modulo, bitwise operators, left shift, right shift operator, and XOR, inverse, complement, or. And after that operator equals to means I, for example, I plus equals to 2 will increment I by 2 and store the result in I, that is and that is equivalent to I is equal to I plus 2. Okay. And then we have means increment operator, double plus means increment operator. It has of two types, post increment and pre increment. And minus minus means decrement operator. It has also two types, post decrement and pre decrement. Okay, let's see the code of operators and we can understand it easily. Okay, in this code I have taken the integer variable 5, and in divide operation I have divided it by 2. What it will give in output? It will give only 2, not 2.5. Why so? Because it is integer variable and it will give only integer in the output. For the floating 2.5, if you want to exact 2.5, then we have to typecast it into float. How we typecast it? We use double brackets and write float into it. It is typecasted and it becomes float. Integer variable becomes float. When we have to change the type of a data type, we typecast it. Here now it will give 2.5 in the output. What is modulo operator? Modulo operator is the, we can say, remainder operator. If we divide 5 by 2, the division will be 2.5 or 2, let's say 2, and what will be the remainder? Remainder will be 1. This is the 1 will be in the output. What is the post increment? Post, as the name suggests, post increment. In this if we use post increment operator will be in the last of the variable name. Here we can say var plus plus. Here we can say var plus plus. In the post increment, if we add 2 plus var, in the post increment in the variable is incremented by 1, but it will be incremented after the operation. First it will store the value and after that it will be incremented. Here we have 2 plus var plus plus. Here it will add 2 plus var value is 5. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Okay, after that if we print the value of var, it will give 6. Value of var becomes 6. Okay, we again assign the value of 5 to the var and we have to perform pre-increment. You can see the difference between pre and post increment operators. These are same in case of decrement. In the increment we are increasing by 1, in decrement we decrement we decrease it by 1. Okay. Here we have a pre-increment. As the name suggests, it when plus plus comes before the variable, then it is called pre-increment, and when plus plus comes after the variable, it is called post increment. Okay. In this 2 plus plus where, which will give us 2 plus 6. Why 6? Because it will increment first and store the result. After that it will store the result. In post increment it will store the result, and after that it will increment. Okay, here we have incremented value 5 plus 1 6, 6 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. Okay, now the var variable uh, was 5 in the starting, and it is incremented by 8. Okay. Now here we will decrement it by 3. You can see that this is operator equals to variable, which is equal to var equivalent to var is equal to var minus 3. Okay. Which is var is equal to var minus 3. 5 it will give 5 minus 8 minus 3 which will be 5. Okay, here we have performed bitwise AND operator and bitwise negate operator. You can see that how we perform. We take the equivalent binary equivalent of 5 0 1 0 1 and binary equivalent of 2 0 0 1 0, and when we AND it, it will give us 0. Okay, after that we have taken the var negation of var, and we have taken we are printing the hexadecimal values of var variable here. Okay, now let's run the program. Sorry. What is happening here? Bitwise with negate. Okay, just put it percentage slash. Okay, we can see that we are printing the integer value of negation. Okay, this is the divide, modulo, and post increment, pre increment, bitwise and bit negation. Okay, hope you guys understand the concepts. Okay, thanks for watching.